Hey, Randy.
What?
Rand, sorry to bug. You know, your dog just keeps barking. It's a lot of noise. Can you calm her down?
Sorry, Ken, I've been at the store. She never barks when I'm with her.
Maybe a chew toy or something next time you leave?
Sure thing, yeah.
Step one is just to talk it out. I was nice, now Randy's gonna handle it.
Wait, I just saw your neighbor blowing a dog whistle. I think he's making the dog bark to mess with you on purpose.
Oh, for the love of... Randy! Randy, I can see you hiding in the bushes.
No, I'm just a bush. Who hates you?
Okay, well, step two, I'm gonna call my community mediation group. They help neighbors settle disputes sometimes. Hi, I have a neighbor dispute. Do you have someone who can help? Yes, his name is Randy. Hello? Hello? Well, they would have helped if Randy hadn't scared them away over the years.
Who's Randy? I'm just a bush.
Ugh, okay, step three, the law. In case it matters, it's against our local laws to create a nuisance by letting your dog bark for an extended period of time.
Oh, where am I? Why do I have a dog whistle? Why was I in a bush? Oh, I'm so old and forgetful.
Oh my gosh. Have a nice day, Rand.
This is what you say when a cop says, "Sir, we got a noise complaint. Can I come in?" Repeat after me. "No, officer, do you have a warrant?" Normally they need it to enter, but if they see something illegal in plain view, they may be able to come in. But because of the pandemic, cops may have more power to come into your place. Be smart and cover up your windows. And don't have anything out that you don't want the cops to know about.
This is how you talk to the cops when you get pulled over. Do you know why I pulled you over?
Oh, do you know I pulled you out? You're so...
Don't be an asshole. You got pulled over because they're looking for a reason to give you a ticket. Don't run your mouth and give them a reason. Do you know why I pulled you over?
Okay, officer, I'm so sorry. Look, I was at the bar, but I only had like one drink. It's not enough to get me drunk, and literally my wife is in labor right now. So I was like maybe speeding just a tiny bit, you know?
Keep your answers short and non-committal. Let the cops do the talking and never admit to anything the cops could use against you. Do you know why I pulled you over?
No.
You were going 10 over the speed limit. Well, what do you have to say about that?
I see.
Can I search the vehicle? If they say, "Can I search your car?" repeat after me. I do not consent to any searches. Then ask, "Am I free to go?" If they say no, say, "I'm not answering any more questions without my lawyer."
Lawbymike, stop helping these guys. Ah!
3 things you never do to your lawyer. Please don't lie to your lawyer. Help me help you. The last thing a lawyer wants is to be caught by surprise. Don't destroy bad evidence for your case. Because when it's brought up, and when it's not there, it's going to look sus as f. Don't be the tough guy or girl if you're injured. Go to the doctor and make a record of your pain. Because you might just find yourself on the losing side. Checkmate. This is how you talk to a judge. If you disagree with what the judge says, don't interrupt and do this. "You're wrong. That's not what happened." Say this. "With all due respect, Your Honor, this is what happened." If you want respect, give respect. You need to know this when dealing with the cops. Cooperate and be respectful. But cooperating doesn't mean answering all their questions. They might try to trick you. But if they knew you did something wrong, then they wouldn't be asking you questions. So if they ask you for your ID, your name, or to get out of the car, do it. But if they ask about what you did or where you've been, repeat after me. "Am I free to go, officer?" And if they say no, say, "I plead the fifth."
Hey, I'm Pickle Mike. Ha, turned myself into a dead meme. I wish somebody would have told me that this would be cringy before I committed. Say, were there any legal tips in my video you think someone should hear before it's too late? Let's make a deal. Share this with a friend, and I'll get you more legal tips.
Ooh, a pickle, yum.
No, it's me, Mike. Don't eat me. I know you can hear me. Don't pretend I'm not a talking pickle.